There are several ways to invest in real estate, each with its own potential benefits and considerations. Here are some common methods of investing in real estate. 1. Direct ownership. Purchasing properties outright is one of the most straightforward ways to invest in real estate. You can buy residential properties or commercial properties. Direct ownership allows you to have control over the property and potentially earn rental income and capital appreciation. However, it also involves responsibilities like property management, maintenance, and dealing with tenants. 2. Real estate investment trusts. REITs are companies that own, operate, or finance income-generating real estate. By investing in REITs, you can gain exposure to a diversified portfolio of properties without directly owning them. REITs are publicly traded on stock exchanges, making them easily accessible to individual investors. They offer the potential for regular dividends and capital appreciation, but their performance depends on the underlying real estate market and the quality of the REIT management. 3. Real estate mutual funds or ETFs. Real estate mutual funds and exchange-traded funds invest in a portfolio of real estate-related securities, such as REITs, real estate development companies, or real estate service providers. Investing in these funds provides diversification and professional management. They offer a convenient way to access real estate investments with lower investment minimums and without the direct responsibilities of property ownership. 4. Real estate crowdfunding. Real estate crowdfunding platforms connect individual investors with real estate developers or projects seeking funding. Through crowdfunding, you can pool your resources with other investors to invest in specific properties or development projects. Crowdfunding platforms often offer different investment structures, such as equity investments, debt investments, or hybrid models. It allows for smaller investments and provides access to a wider range of real estate opportunities. 5. Real estate partnerships. Real estate partnerships involve pooling resources and expertise with other investors to purchase and manage properties jointly. This can be done with family members, friends, or professional partners. Partnerships allow for shared financial responsibilities, access to larger investment opportunities, and shared decision-making. It's important to establish clear partnership agreements and understand the potential risks and rewards of the arrangement. 6. Real estate investment clubs. Real estate investment clubs bring together like-minded individuals interested in investing in real estate. These clubs provide a platform for networking, sharing knowledge and experiences, and collectively investing in properties. Investment clubs can offer educational resources, access to deals, and opportunities for joint investments. 7. Real estate development. Real estate development involves purchasing land or existing properties for the purpose of developing, constructing, or renovating them. This can include residential, commercial, or mixed-use projects. Real estate development requires substantial capital, expertise, and involvement in the development process. It can offer significant potential returns but comes with higher risks and longer time horizons. Before investing in real estate, it's essential to conduct thorough research, evaluate potential risks, and assess your financial capacity, time commitment, and risk tolerance. Consider consulting with professionals, such as real estate agents, attorneys, or financial advisors, to guide you through the investment process and help you make informed decisions based on your individual circumstances and goals.